Hey YouTube family, Model Chick NY here. Just to give you confirmation on the Dow deal. I got this deal from Coupon Like a Man. Guys, go run and go get the Dow. They're going to absolutely end up being free because the glow in the dark Dow, the pumpkin, and the haunted house one. There is an additional one. It's an owl. Do not get that one because that one is not producing the up rewards. If you buy the orange pumpkin foam hand wash or the haunted house, that's the only two type they had in my stores. If your store has the owl, do not get that one because that is not producing the up reward according to Coupon Like a Man. The Dow foamy hand wash, the 7.5 fluid ounces, they are on sale for 2 for $4. I have gold status, so I had it. I got them. They're $2. In other words, they're 2 for $4, and they charge them $2 each. So that made them $8. My subtotal was $6. I had a $2 where you see the wellness coupon up there. I had $2 up reward. So these are $2 each, 2 for $6, 8. So it took off $2 because of my wellness up reward, bringing my total down to $6 with tax. It came to $6.48. These are absolutely free, guys, because I got back $8 in up rewards. I got back $1 Dow soaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I paid $6.48 out of pocket. I got back $8, guys. Thank you, Coupon Like a Man. I got the deal on the Dow soap. Run and get the glow-in-the-dark Dow soaps, guys. Do not get the owl. If you go to Coupon Like a Man's video, you'll see he purchased an owl, and he did not get the up rewards. If you get this type with the haunted house and the other one with the pumpkin, it will produce double up rewards. I paid $6.48, and I got back $8 in up rewards on the Dow. So run and get the Dow while they're there. There was 5 on the shelf. I picked up 4. It said limit of 4. Do what you got to do to get that money, to get those up rewards, guys. I think it's an awesome deal. Again, the Dow foamy hand wash, you're going to get back double. I guess it's a monthly and weekly deal on this. I'm not sure, but you're getting back. Don't quote me on that, guys, but I know you're getting, right now, you're getting back double. You're getting back $2 on each. Okay, so I got back $8. Make sure you go and look for the Dow. Pick up these 2 types. If there's another one other than the owl, try that as well. Wish you guys luck. Go out there and find those deals. This is Model Chick NY. Thanks for watching, and hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks again, Coupon Like a Man. Take care, guys. Go out there and get the Dow foamy hand wash. The size is 7.5 fluid ounces, and they're glow in the dark. Okay? Take care, guys. Model Chick NY. Bye-bye.